Is your DaVinci Resolve silent treatment getting a little too real? Don't worry, we're diving in to bring the noise back to your projects in under 90 seconds. First, let's ensure DaVinci Resolve recognizes your audio output. Head over to the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top left corner, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on Video and Audio I/O here. Make sure your desired audio output device is selected. In the System Audio Output drop-down, choose the correct speakers or headphones and hit Save. Next, let's check if any tracks are accidentally muted on your timeline. Ensure that the mute button on each audio track isn't activated. It looks like a speaker icon. If it's grayed out, click it to unmute the track. Now, jump over to the Fairlight page. Take a look at the mixer panel. Confirm that the faders for each track are raised and that the master fader at the far right is also up. A fader all the way down means no sound. Sometimes, the issue lies within the clip itself. Right-click on a clip in your media pool or timeline and select Clip Attributes. Check the audio codec information. DaVinci Resolve might struggle with certain codecs. Try transcoding the audio to a more common format like WAV or MP3 using another program and then re-import it. Finally, try clearing your render cache. Go to Playback and select Delete Render Cache, then choose All. This can sometimes solve playback issues related to cached audio data.